What if the pets of tomorrow were not furry friends but mechanical ones? Imagine dogs that never tire, humanoids that box with flawless balance, and robots that sprint faster than humans. Sounds unbelievable. At Unitree, that is exactly what's happening. If you have ever felt curious or uneasy about the future of robotics, this journey will give you chills. Today, we explore their cutting-edge machines, from the playful Goto Dog to the powerful B2 Industrial, and see why Unitree is not just building robots, they are redefining life itself. Arrival at Unitree. Stepping into Unitree's factory feels like walking into the future. The air buzzes with quiet energy, machines whirring softly as technicians move with focused precision. Every corner is alive with motion, robots in mid-calibration, engineers adjusting sensors, and screens displaying streams of data that seem almost alive. The team welcomes us with genuine smiles, their enthusiasm as infectious as the machines around them. You sense pride, creativity, and years of relentless problem-solving distilled into this space. The scale of the operation is staggering. Assembly lines humming in harmony, testing zones designed for every terrain imaginable, and prototypes lined up like futuristic companions waiting for their turn to perform. Walking among the robots, it is easy to forget that these are machines. Their movements, though mechanical, feel purposeful, almost aware. We meet the engineers who have spent countless hours perfecting algorithms, balancing limbs, and teaching these robots to understand their environment. Their passion is palpable, and it makes the technology feel human. First impressions of the robots spark a mix of awe and curiosity. Some are sleek and compact, others towering and imposing. Each one carries a story of innovation, trial, and adaptation. Standing there, surrounded by what feels like tomorrow, you cannot help but be captivated. Unitree is not just building robots. They are shaping a vision of the future we are only beginning to understand. The robot dogs, history and evolution. Unitree's journey began with a simple but ambitious idea to create robots that move like animals. Their first quadruped prototypes were small, experimental, and often clumsy. Engineers tested hundreds of designs, learning from every misstep, tweaking motors, sensors, and balance algorithms. Each failure brought them closer to creating machines that could walk, run, and react with surprising fluidity. The breakthrough came with the X-Dog, a robot dog that could navigate obstacles, trot at speed, and even respond to gestures. Videos of X-Dog quickly went viral, capturing imaginations around the world. People were amazed, not just by its movements, but by the sense of life it seemed to carry. Unitree continued to refine its designs, adding intelligence, stability, and personality. Today's models carry years of research, combining mechanical precision with software that allows them to interact with humans in ways that feel surprisingly familiar. Watching them move, you see traces of curiosity and energy usually associated with real dogs. There is an emotional connection hidden within engineering, a sense that humans and machines can understand each other. The evolution from clunky prototypes to agile, expressive robots reflects a deep commitment to innovation. Every step, jump, and turn tells the story of countless hours of work, imagination, and a vision to bring robots closer to life. Testing the Goto Dog. The Goto Dog steps onto the floor with confident, precise movements. At first glance, it looks like a machine, but its behavior feels almost alive. Engineers guide it through a series of tests, each designed to push its agility and responsiveness. It climbs small ramps, weaves through obstacles, and even stops when called. There is a sense of tension in the room, watching metal and circuits move with the grace of a living creature. When it pauses to look up, tilting its head as if curious, a surprising connection forms between human and robot. Its sensors react instantly to touch and sound, creating interactions that feel personal. The Goto Dog does more than move. It responds, adapts, and communicates in a language that blends mechanics and emotion. Every jump and turn draws gasps of amazement. It is easy to forget this is a machine when it mirrors the behavior of a playful, intelligent companion. Testing the Goto Dog is not just observing technology. It is meeting something that feels alive in a new way. Surfing the B2 Industrial Dog. The B2 Industrial Dog moves with a power that feels almost unstoppable. Its forelegs carry it smoothly across uneven surfaces, absorbing every bump with remarkable balance. Engineers show how it can handle heavy loads and rough terrain, but the real thrill comes when it accelerates. We step back as it runs, jumps, and navigates obstacles, its movements precise yet fluid. There is an undeniable excitement in seeing a machine perform like this, part tool, part athlete. The human operators interact with it through controls and gestures, guiding its actions effortlessly. Watching it respond instantly to commands is mesmerizing, almost like riding a living creature. Each turn and leap is a mix of engineering skill and pure thrill. The B2 does not just follow orders, it anticipates, adjusts, and adapts in real time. Standing close, feeling its energy, it becomes clear that this robot is not just designed for work. It is built to inspire awe and excitement in everyone who watches it move. The B2W, wheels and terrain. The B2W combines legs and wheels, creating a robot that can move anywhere. It glides over smooth floors on wheels and switches seamlessly to walking when the ground gets rough. Engineers demonstrate their ability to climb stairs, cross gravel, and even handle slippery surfaces without losing balance. Its design makes it look almost alive, with movements that feel purposeful and confident. Watching it shift from wheels to legs is like seeing a machine adapt like a human. The robot navigates complex terrain with precision, reacting instantly to obstacles and changes in the environment. There is a sense of wonder in seeing how smoothly it adjusts, maintaining speed and control at every step. The human operators smile as it follows commands perfectly, showing a level of interaction that feels natural and intuitive. The B2W's versatility is astonishing, proving that robots can combine strength, speed, and intelligence. Each movement leaves a lasting impression, hinting at a future where machines can accompany humans anywhere with ease and reliability. First humanoids, H1 and G1. The first humanoid robots at Unitree, H1 and G1, step onto the floor with quiet confidence. They stand on two legs, mimicking human posture, and their movements are surprisingly smooth. Engineers explain how balance is key, showing the robots adjusting their stances as they prepare to perform simple martial arts routines. Punches, kicks, and blocks are executed with precision, and each action demonstrates careful coordination between motors, sensors, and software. Watching them, there is a sense of suspense. One wrong move could topple them, yet they remain steady. The room feels electric as these machines, once concepts on paper, now move with intent. G1 demonstrates controlled spins and stances, almost as if learning from a human teacher. Observing their progress creates a mix of amazement and tension, highlighting how far robotics has come. The engineers smile proudly, revealing the effort behind every joint and sensor. There is a human-like quality in their timing, their responsiveness to commands, and even the pauses between movements. H1 and G1 are not just machines. They feel like the first hints of a future where robots can move, learn, and interact alongside humans with remarkable agility. Human versus G1 humanoid. The G1 humanoid steps into the ring, its movements eerily human. At first, the boxing match feels playful, even funny, as it mirrors each punch with surprising timing. But soon, the power and precision become clear. Every swing is calculated, every dodge exact. There is tension in the air, a strange mix of thrill and unease as the line between man and machine blurs. The G1 does not tire, its balance is flawless, and its martial arts training shines through. Watching it pivot, kick, and respond instantly to human actions is mesmerizing. It is more than a robot. It is a study in human-like agility, a glimpse of what machines can achieve when engineering and AI merge. By the end, laughter mixes with awe, leaving a sense of wonder at both its abilities and the future it hints at. Drag race G1, Goto, B2W. The air is electric as G1, Goto, and B2W line up for a full-speed race across the testing arena. Engines whir, servos hum, and the robots explode forward with astonishing acceleration. The G1 balances effortlessly, its humanoid form sprinting with uncanny precision. Goto's quadruped design eats up the distance with agile strides, while B2W glides smoothly, wheels spinning over every obstacle. The competition is fierce, yet fluid, each robot showcasing its strengths in a spectacular display of engineering. Spectators cheer as circuits and sensors perform flawlessly under pressure. The race ends in awe, highlighting not only raw speed, but also the seamless harmony between human design and robotic execution. It is a moment of pure technological exhilaration. Standing back and watching the robots in action, a sense of wonder settles in. Each machine reflects hours of design, testing, and human ingenuity. The G1 humanoid, the agile Goto, and the powerful B2W all show how far robotics has come. There is excitement, but also a quiet moment to think about the future, how these creations could assist, protect, or even inspire humans. Beyond technology, it is about connection. Observing machines perform tasks once thought impossible creates a bond between human imagination and robotic reality. The experience leaves a lasting impression, hinting at a world where humans and robots grow together in remarkable ways.